Hi you guys, welcome to the Tumbling Coach. I'm Coach Javis, and today with me I have Lila, and she's going to be teaching you how to do the second part of a back handspring, which is the stretch to the hollow body position.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Nice.
Weird.
Once you have that arch to hollow position down, you can try and apply it to when you're upside down. So Lila's going to go into a handstand here. She's going to go into a nice little arch, and then she'll go from here and pull through to hollow. Okay? And she'll try it by herself and pull through. And so see how she pushes through that strong handstand position before her feet come down? That's exactly what we're looking for. Good job. As you progress with this drill, you can start to work your way further and further away from the wall. And so you're in an even bigger arch, and then you just give a little push off of the wall with your feet as you push into that handstand position. So just gonna go nice big arch here and push to hollow. Yep, so we don't want to snap down quite yet. We want to push into a handstand. I'll help you with the first one so you can, okay. And nice push through that hollow, and then come down. Good. As you progress with this drill, you can start to work your way further and further away from the wall so that you have a little bit bigger of an arch, and then you just do a light little push off of the wall with your feet to pull into that handstand. So go ahead. Controlled. Just gonna go here. I'm gonna help her with the first one, little push, and push through that position before she comes down from it. Good. Go ahead and try one on your own. This one's a little bit harder, so don't get discouraged. And push up. Yep, good. So then as you get stronger and stronger, you'll be able to hold that position for longer before your feet come down. As you progress with this drill, you can start to work your way further and further away from the wall so that you have a little bit bigger of an arch, and then you just do a light little push off of the wall with your feet to pull into that handstand. So go ahead. Controlled. Just gonna go here. I'm gonna help her with the first one, little push, and push through that position before she comes down from it. Good. Go ahead and try one on your own. This one's a little bit harder, so don't get discouraged. And push up. Yep. Good. So then as you get stronger and stronger, you'll be able to hold that position for longer before your feet come down. Kind of the most advanced version of this drill will to be a back limber. So Lila's going to demonstrate one. She'll go into a standing back bend, and then push off of both feet as she pulls into a handstand. Yep. And big push and through. Yep. Try one more time. And push. Yes. Good. So that one will take a little bit more practice to perfect. Good job. So first, in order to get your athlete to understand these two different body positions, I recommend having them lay on their back with their arms up by their ears and go into a nice arched position, and then snap into a hollow position on the floor. Go ahead. Just to get used to that changing of body position, have them do this a few times in a row. Stretch and pull. Nice. One more time. Good. Thank you for joining us today and learning how to do part 2 of your back handspring. Huge shout out to Lila. Thank you for helping demonstrate. When you're ready to move on to step 3, go ahead and check out step 3 in this back handspring series. Bye.